first full page you will fill out on your job seeker application has to do with your availability and what type of position you are looking for. Please read these 4 statements at the beginning of the page before you continue the application. As you go through the application, you will see some questions that have a little red mark like this one. Those are required questions. You must answer these questions to continue to the next page of your application. Before you begin, please click this little box next to the statement, "I confirm that answers which I'm about to provide in this application are true and correct to the best of my knowledge. I understand that my application may be rejected by the agency with no further notice for any false information, omissions, or factual inaccuracies." Basically, this means that you need to put in only correct information into your application. The next box gives you a space where you can write the kind of job you're looking for. So for instance, if you are a nanny candidate, you might write nanny, full-time, with a nice family. The next box is asking whether you are currently looking for a job or if you are not looking for a job. If you are filling out this application but are not looking for a job, press the second. If you are looking for a job, press the first. Then it will ask you why you are looking for a job. You either do not have a job, you need a new job because you do not like your current job, your job is ending soon and you want to start looking now, or you have a part-time job and need to add another part-time job. The next box asks what position you are applying for. At Monicare, you are able to apply for up to 2 positions. If you need help adding a second position to your application, please visit our help menu. For now, I'm going to indicate that I'm applying for a nanny job. The next box has to deal with what kind of job you want, either come and go or live in, and part-time or full-time, about how many hours a week you want to work. If you are open to working all of these hours, you can click all of the boxes. This next box asks when you are available to work. For instance, if you do not want to work Saturdays and Sundays, do not click the Saturday and Sunday buttons. If you are open to work Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I'll click the boxes next to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then using the drop-down boxes, I will fill in the specific hours that I'm available to work. Of course, when you accept a position, these hours will change slightly, but this gives us an idea of the times that you are available to work. If you have any extra comments that you need to write, like for instance, you go to night school on Thursdays, then please put that in the application here. The next box is asking when you'd like to start to work. If you do not currently have a job and are able to start immediately, then please click the date you are able to start. If you do have a job, please remember you will need to give your family 2 weeks' notice before you begin a new position. The second box asks the latest day you are available to start. If for some reason you must have a job by a certain date, please fill in this box. This next box has to deal with salary and hours. Please write the minimum or maximum salary you're looking per hour, and then per week. The final box on this section asks the number of weekly hours needed. This is very important because Monicare will look all of this over before we recommend you for a job. And finally, This last box is asking how long you are available to work, either long term, more than a year, or short term, less than 12 months. At Monicare, we specialize in long-term placements. We guarantee that our nannies, housekeepers, and other domestic staff members will be with the families for at least a year. At this point, if you cannot commit for more than a year, you will only be available for temporary positions. If the job is satisfying, this question is asking how long you will be able to stay with that family. Once you have filled in this information, press Save and Continue to go to our next page.